Hey guys, I don't have a lot of time, but I was passing the Goodwill bin, so I figured we'd do a quick lap and see what we could find. Alright, what is this piece? Looked weird from far away. Is it a Christmas thing? Oh, I think it is a cookie holder and it's missing the head. Maybe it's like a little bear or something. Oh, that looks super cute. I wish the head was here. Some plates. Looks like there's lots of clothing in these bins today. Here's a little tea set right here, but I don't really like the pattern on it. Backpack. What is this? Is this a little bell? I think it was a bell candlestick. It's missing the little ringer. Still cute though. Add that to the cart. Toys. Lots of glassware. Oh, this is cute. It kind of looks like a little flower, little candle holder. That would be pretty with a half sphere in it as well. That's cute. It says made in Mexico. Y'all know I love the rib glass. Oh, these are cute. Look at these fancy little cups right here. These are adorable. I don't know what you use them for. Maybe some little fancy shot glasses. Lots of bags today. I just saw 2 bins full of bags. See a cute basket. Oh my gosh, this one is adorable. I don't know if I could pass it up. Look at the bottom. You could even take off the handles if you don't want the handles. Oh, no, I don't need another basket. I'm gonna leave it here for somebody else. Somebody else, please rescue this basket so I don't have to come look at it again. Some kitchen stuff. This looks like a canister. It's missing the lid. That's a huge canister. It's about 1 foot tall. Some little glass candlesticks. They're very heavy. Floor mat to a truck. Got some shoes down here and some more purses. Lots of purses today. Here's a painting right here. It's a real one. Y'all see all that texture? I don't see its signature on it, but it's pretty messed up, and it's also huge, and I do not want it for my house, so I'm gonna leave it here. Oh, look at this piece. See if I can get to it. Ugh. Okay, not interested in that. A little 4-wheeler. They got some wood blinds right here. Here's a whole gazebo right here. It's actually in the box. I don't think it's ever been put together. Got a stuffed animal. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? It's a little wooden doll house that somebody made. That would be fun to add some scrapbook paper and make it look like wallpaper and do the whole thing. I'm not going to, but hopefully somebody else rescues it. What other furniture they have? Ooh, y'all, look at this little corner shelf right here. That is adorable. Look at the little spindles. That is really cute. I don't think I need that anywhere in my house. There's another little skinny shelf right there that looks like something that goes over the toilet. We got table. Here's a little green chair over here. Some pretty good condition. It's $5. Got a bunch of wrapping paper, but I'm trying to get back here. Look at this little kid's rocker. How cute. The bottom is messed up. That's adorable. There's a little shelf right here. Here's a little 12-day Christmas punch surprise box. I can't leave this here. I think I need to go live on Facebook. We got to open this up and see what's in here. Some Target. It's probably some cute stuff in there. Some jewelry. They got all the seasons right now. Here's a nice little pumpkin. It was $1.99 at Goodwill. Some more Christmas stuff. Oh, this is a sprinkler. Here's a whole bag of Christmas ornaments right here. A gingerbread kit. That's still in a box, but we're not getting that. Here's a picture frame. There's a few picture frames right here. Canister. Some napkins. Let's see what's on this side. Got some placemats. I don't know what these things are. There's a bunch of them. Little black things. I know what that is. And a headless baby doll. What is this though? Oh, that's cute. I think it's some kind of jewelry, but that might be a cute little embellishment. I'll get this and put in my DIY stash. Ooh, I see a fun suitcase over here. Look at this thing. That is so cool. Hartman luggage. That's really fun. That'd be fun to decorate with for fall. Put the suitcases out. If y'all not decorating with suitcases, oh my gosh, y'all definitely should. They're so fun. You just stack stuff on top of them. It's kind of falling apart. This is really, really pretty. This is really pretty. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. The bottom's coming off, but that's not, it's missing some screws. But I could easily pull it off. The bottom needs to be painted or something. And then I love the wood detail here. Okay, I can't leave this here. We're gonna get it. I really like this frame. It's wood and it got the linen in the center, more modern. I'm gonna grab that. Look how pretty it looks with the wood. Some more frames right here. Gold. Quite the collection of frames, but I can't pass that one up. Some cute little Christmas cards with the little dog sitting on the steps. It's adorable. There's some little dolls right here. Ooh, they're rolling out some new bins right now. Looks like clothes and some other goodies, so I'm gonna have to go dig. What is this giant plate right here? I don't know what that is. That leaves? Looks like an older piece. There's a signature right there on the bottom, but it does have some cracks and some issues, so I'm gonna leave that here. This is a horse. I wonder if I could turn this into a statue. Nah, I'm gonna leave that there. Oh, here's a pitchfork. Oh, it's plastic. It's a Halloween prop. Here's a little Christmas horse. It's missing an antler. It's very heavy. I just found some artwork. Unfortunately, they put it on some really thin, like parchment paper almost. But it's 2 pairs. It's signed. I just feel the need to rescue this piece. They are rolling out new bins so fast today. I hate to leave, but I just cannot stay long. I have a lot to do. We got this huge tray. We got a frame, some pretty artwork. Oh, this. Make sure y'all follow me over on Facebook. I'll go live and we'll open this up and see what is in there. So not too many items today, but I'm glad I came and took a quick lap around the bins. I hope y'all enjoyed this thrifting adventure, and I will see y'all in the next one. Look, somebody found the head to this piece. It was a snowman. If you like the items you saw in today's video, make sure you check out my website, juliesdesignsandsigns.com. In the home decor section, it is filled with amazing vintage unique finds, as well as beautiful greenery and home decor. And the first Wednesday of every month at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, I have the vintage drop on my website, where all of the items I thrift for all month long become available for purchase. On my website, you will also find fusion paint and and Dixie Belle paint, as well as all of the amazing IOD products, paint brushes, and supplies. And on my website, guys, it is $9 flat rate shipping. So no matter how much you order, it is only $9. So make sure y'all go check out juliesdesignsandsigns.com and mark your calendars for the next vintage drop.